So interviews have started. Sai and Vara from app team, Premila from API team. Interviews are going on here, and we have Gopal from UI team, Hari from AI team. Okay, so Narendra from sales team and operations. So we are very happy to see the people, and we request you come and attempt your choice and chance, and be ready for the multiple roles. That's what I was telling to all. As AI is picking up, you should be able to do a multiple role. I mean, most preferred role for me is if you understand the business, if you love business, it's all about converting the businesses into AI apps now. So the more business knowledge and business acumen is important along with the AI, then boil down to the a technology tool like a Spring Boot or a Java or a React. Okay, welcome and all the best.